Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change your profile picture on WhatsApp web using your PC. Whether you want to update your image or just give your profile a fresh look, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to WhatsApp web. If you haven't logged in yet, just scan the QR code with your phone to connect your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chats and profile. Now, look at the left side corner of the screen. You'll spot your current profile photo there. Click on it to get started with changing your picture. After clicking on your profile photo, a menu will pop up. You'll see your photo displayed again along with a few options. Click on your profile photo once more to access the settings for updating it. Next, look for the option that says Upload Photo. Click on that, and your File Explorer will open up, allowing you to choose a new image from your computer. Take your time to find the perfect photo that represents you well. Once you've selected your new image, click Open. You'll immediately see a preview of how your new profile picture will look. This is a great moment to ensure you're happy with your choice. Before finalizing the change, you'll need to confirm your selection. Look for a confirmation button, often labeled Save or Confirm. Click it, and just like that, your new profile picture is now updated and visible to your contacts. And that's it. Changing your profile picture on WhatsApp web is a quick and easy process, especially with this latest update. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting on WhatsApp.